Hello, Michael.
How are you?
Is it finally finished?
Well, not quite, but it's very, very close. Very, very close. So some details are still missing, but it's working and it's all there.
Wow.
The interior is there. So yes, 99%, I would say.
And you drove it here,
Yes,
so it works.
yes. But the clutch still needs adjustment, but at least it's working. So
So now you have a 57 beside a 62. Well, let's take a look at the interior. So you have green seats.
yes.
Wow. Now look at this. Can you match 3 persons here in the front? No.
2 seats.
Yeah. And these doors are really beautiful.
Yes,
With the champagne color.
Yes, the two-tone is really nice.
Yeah, and the green. Wow. And in the back seat, you really have enough space.
Yes.
Leg room.
It's like a living room couch.
It's like a sofa.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Now, how does it feel?
Very good. No, I mean, it's been such a struggle, so it's
Yeah.
nice to have it here, and I'm looking forward to the show tomorrow. There's a big DS in Finland 70 years event. Last I heard there were 65 cars,
All right.
so it's going to be really good. So and very few people know that this car exists, so it's going to be a big surprise to everybody.
Okay.
So only a few of my best friends know that this car is here, so it's going to be quite a show.
And this, we have really been waiting for this event, so we got this small trailer which is covered because they may possibly rain. So the next project is to take the car into that trailer. And then tomorrow we are going to Hämeenlinna to meet almost, how many did you say?
Well, last I heard there were 65.
So
But if the weather
almost 70, as many as there are years.
could be, I mean, that was the plan, but
Yeah.
but of course, then if the weather really is poor, then there might be people missing. But
Yeah.
but we never know. Let's see.
And the roof is now painted in champagne
Yes.
color, yes. And the wheels, they are missing something, aren't they?
The hubcaps are missing.
Yeah,
Yes, because they're still with a friend and he hasn't had time to finish them. So the hubcaps are missing.
Oh, that's a small detail.
Yes.
Well, congratulations. Let's start and try to drive it in the trailer.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do our best.
We arrived at the meeting, so Finland is celebrating DS 70 years, and we almost have 70 cars here of different colors. And here behind we see the green one. So Michael succeeded in bringing it here. And as you see, lots of people are admiring it because it's one of the oldest and finest looking cars, of course, the best one.